Today I bring you a different dog park. Yes, this one is a little bit on the unique side. Let me tell you the name. We're going there and investigate to look for landmines and troubles it could be for our dog. And we was actually here yesterday, but it started pouring down the rain, so we had to cancel it. And not to mention, today's very windy, so the wind may dicker this video over. But let's get started. This dog park was made in memory of Lauryn Hill. We can't figure out how to get into the gate. Let me go around you. I don't know. It might be. Oh, I hope it ain't locked. Oh, you gotta be smarter than the gate, maybe. There we go.
Jeez,
I know, right? So, guys, we're gonna go over to the smaller side because we don't know if Kit is over the weight limit or under the weight limit. So we're going to stick with the smaller side and get the big side on the smaller side. And that one is cold. Come on, Kid.
It was size.
Let's go check this out. You know what? I'm going to do something I normally don't do, puppy. I'm just going to let you go.
She was a 19-year-old advocate for cancer because she had an inoperable brain cancer. And she was a basketball player at St. Joseph College.
And
but
they
she
built
grew up in Lawrenceburg.
And this was built in memory of her, right?
Yes.
All right, Kit's over there being nosy. Come on, Kit. Today we got the Frisbee, y'all. Last time we used the Frisbee, he didn't play with it much. Well, to be fair, the last time we played with the Frisbee was a couple months ago.
Oops,
he's a bigger dog today. Let's walk up on him here. I like it out here. We're in the middle of nowhere. You got trees on this far side, and here's the big dog park. I get a little peeksy now, and then when we get down yonder here, up to that fence, we'll get a better peeks. Yeah, better peeks. I was thinking about, now right next to this is a mountain bike trail. Although we had poured down rain yesterday and pouring down rain through the night, and we had sprinkles on the way up here, I'm not exactly sure if it's muddy or not. I may take a little bit of the hike. I don't know. That would be in the next video if I do. Actually, it won't be in the next video because this video won't air until next week. That way I don't go through all the dog parks too quick. Yeah, right now I'm only showing the dog parks once a week. That might change up. All right, we're gonna walk up here and I'll show you the bigger dog park side. Kind of wish we'd go on it, but we want to follow the rules. And they gave a weight limit, and I'm not sure about Kit's weight. Oh, there's Kid. Isn't he a handsome dog? I'm being biased, yes, because he's our dog, but he is so handsome. Kit, come! Come on, Kit, come! Oh, he is so handsome. Okay, let's go up this hill. Oh, I should have worn my boots, hiking boots. That's slippery. Oh my Lord. You know what, Ange? I believe this may be the biggest dog park we've ever been to.
Oh yeah, it's definitely the
hands down. Look at the beauty, guys. And yes, I do mean my wife and also my puppy. I hope my camera wasn't just crooked there, y'all. But here's the smaller dog park side. It's a pretty good chunk. And the big dog size, it is huge. And by the way, Angie was telling me it isn't nothing to do with the weight. It's the height of your dog.
At least I think.
She thinks. All right, continue on. Now, technically, the other dog park I videotaped, be careful, honey, is not going to air till tomorrow morning. In that video, I asked you guys if you guys are cool with the music, leave it down in the comments. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put the music in this one, okay? So once again, if you guys don't like the music, let me know and I'll keep it out. But we're going to get a few shots. It'd be at the most 15-20 seconds of music. That's all. Maybe 25 seconds. I can't get over 30 seconds. Let's get some beauty and put some music to it. Our puppy is enjoying himself out here like you would not believe. I've not seen any landmines. I've not seen any orange peels. And we'll get to that in the next couple dog parks, trust me. Unless you're one of my subscribers, you know why I'm saying that. I'm not seeing anything that will harm a puppy. Now, I was online and I did see them making this, at least pictures of them making this. This was all an open field at one time. All an open field. They plowed it up, planted grass seed, and turned it into a dog park. So far, I'm going to go on record. I'm going to ask Angie too, but so far, I believe this is the best dog park we've ever taken Kit to. And we have somebody pulling it now. We may have another dog. Yeah, may. I know. I think they're just turning around. Hey, Kit, come on, Kit. Hey, listen to us all. We want him to run it out so he can be dead tired. But look at this, all over yonder there. I'm going to just take a guess. I don't know this for sure. I should have looked at the satellite view, but that's all woods. That's all mountain bike trails. And believe me, we're going to hit them. We may not hit them today, but we're definitely going to hit them one day. Hey, Kit, right here I am. Come on, buddy, come on. He goes the other way. What's the matter with thee? But it's so beautiful the way this place is laid out. Holy smokes, is it ever. There he is. Hi, buddy. Oh, I love you. I really do. I would imagine in the summer months they will bring a mower crew in here to mow it. I would imagine. Yeah. It's so beautiful out through here. Look at this. And my feet are soaking wet. Now, what was you just said?
I said I just told Kit my feet were soaking wet at the same time you was telling the camera.
Of course, I couldn't hear what you were saying to Kit.
No, because
I swear, you and I been saying the same, but we've been doing it for 30 years.
Kit, come.
Okay, Mr. Kit.
You getting tired?
No, not yet. He's eating the crap out of this grass, so no. I don't want you eating the grass, okay? Dogs are strange for eating grass, but he's doing it like crazy right now. I don't want him to do it. I want him to run it out more. Oh, trying to get, there he is. Hey, let's run it out some more, okay? All right, Kit, ready? Ready? Go get it. All right, Kit, bring it back. Come on, bring it back. Come on. Bring it back. Come on. That's my boy. We'll do that about maybe 20 more times. Even if he doesn't bring the frisbee back, he's still running. And it's wearing him down. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my feet are completely drenched because the grass is wet. I mean, it rained all morning. And it's just now 1:07. So, you ready? Okay, I'm gonna play with my puppy and I'll be back. Bring it back, come on, get it! Come on, bring it back! Oh, that's okay. Oh, he's still running like crazy. We usually pick out some days a week we do our adventures, and was hoping to get a hiking adventure, but the rain kind of dicked that over, folks. So now we're bringing you what we he just ran right by me. Did you see that? Oh my god, here he goes again. Are you okay? Are you okay? Here, buddy, maybe we'll get a thumbnail out of this. Oh, don't eat the grass. Hey, you ready? See if I can get this. Okay, ready? Go get it. There he goes. It's over there. Oh, he's running himself good. There he goes. Hey, Kit, come, buddy. Come. Come on, Kit. Come on. He's getting tired. Oh my, he got within inches, then turned. If he would have ran into me, he would knock me on my butt. Oh yeah, he's getting tired. That's what we wanted. All right, one more shot. Right there's the big dog park side. We figure next time we come here, he should be the height, and we'll probably get that. We'll probably go over there. And here's the smaller dog park size. And my wife is getting cold, so we're gonna close her out, guys. We're gonna go ahead and give this a grade. He's trying to drink the water over there. No, we don't do that, Kid. No, there's lots of gallons of water over here, which is cool because that's so you give your dog water. But I always bring Kit's water with us.
Go to the vehicle and get it.
Yeah, I got, oh yeah, okay, let's go to vehicle. We'll close it out there, guys. I do like the way the park is laid out. I like the gate locks. So does my wife. It's a very nice place. I'm going to give it a A+. I'm going on record right now saying this is the best dog park we've ever been to. What about you? Oh, we'll wait and see what Angie says when she gets up here. I think she's down there doing something at the gate. Oh, she's reading. Okay, here's my camera bag, which didn't really need it today, but we're gonna go ahead and give Kit his own water.
Okay.
Oh, let me turn around because he's got me tangled. Here we go. You drink this water, baby, okay?
There you go.
So what do you think, Ange? You give it an A or B or C?
I give it an A.
Me too.
An A+.
Yeah, I'd definitely give it an
Here.
A+.
Some more. Picnic area.
Normally I want to give this video just a dog park, but guys, we're going to walk right over yonder here and take a look at the trail. We're not going to hit it because neither one of us had got our hiking boots, and not to mention we're not hiking prepared. But I want to take a look at it and I'll show you guys, then we'll close out the video. Oh my god, I'm gonna walk in there about maybe 50 feet and get a better look. This is a bike, oh my god, a mountain bike trail. Actually, it's getting real muddy. Angie, we gotta hit this trail. Can you imagine what this is gonna look like when it's in the summertime?
Pretty.
It's gonna be gorgeous. It's gonna be beautiful.
Don't eat that.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Leave it down in the comments your concerns or whatever it may be. And my feet's loaded with mud. We only went in 10-15 feet. Yeah. Leave it down in the comments. Tell me what you think of the beautiful dog park I just showed you, and on to the next dog park. Yes, I believe this may cover the ones in my area that are semi-local. This is in Greendale, Indiana, I think.
Actually, it's Hidden Valley.
It's Hidden Valley, Indiana, my bad. We may find another one in Bright, or at least we're hoping to, but not today, obviously. And there may be another one from there. There ain't a whole bunch of dog parks. We thought there'd be a lot more. But actually, we have found the ones that we have found. We're surprised we found them. All right, guys, till next time, come on. Let's get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I am off my game at this minute. Of course, I don't think I was on my game. And here comes that wind. It's cold. We'll see you next time.